Hello guys and welcome to Howto Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to customize your Google feed. So let's start. First, open the Google app. Now tap on three dots on bottom right corner. Tap on Settings and go to your interest. Now tap on Interest. Here you will see a few topics has been selected by me earlier. Now scroll down and you'll see many topics here. Now select the plus icon beside the topic you want to add to your interest. And tap on the cancel icon beside the topic you want to hide. If you scroll up and refresh the page, you'll see all your interest here. Now go back and go to Hidden, and you'll see all your hidden topics here. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next tutorial.